Hello there, welcome back. This is Tinola. Today's video is about minimal makeup look. The first thing you need is to prep your face. So after my skincare is done, I'm going in with my primer, and this primer is from Mary Kay. It has SPF 15, which is for sun protection, and I usually just prime everything like my face, my lips, ears, neck, everything. The next step is to apply lip balm because my lips are super dry. And now we are going into our eyebrow. I'm using this eyebrow brush and something relatively new. Yes, guys, I'm using Got to Be glue. You can either use the glue or the spray, but my preference is the spray. And I'm just gonna spray it on the brush and immediately brush my brows. I'm going to brush my brows in the normal direction and shape the brow grows. I got this brow hack from a YouTuber, and I'm going to link a video in the description box below. Please make sure to clean around the brows immediately for excess gel so it doesn't mess with your makeup. That's what it looks like. I'm loving the results already. If you're new here, you are welcome. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button down below and turn on that notification bell. That way you get more contents from me. It's totally free. And if you're a returning sub, you guys are the best. Thanks for always coming back. I love you guys. I'm using a Fit Me concealer to conceal my dark circles, my dark upper lips. And with this squishy wet blender, I'm going to blend the concealer on my face. If you have acne or dark spots, you can definitely apply the concealer on specific spots on your face, and that will cover it up. Also, for this minimal look, we will be using minimal products, right? So we're not going for a full coverage, and I'm focusing the concealer on this portion of my face. I'm also going to apply some concealer under my brows just to give it more definition. We are not contouring, guys. In this video, we have to maximize our concealer and foundation. speaking of foundation, this one is from Maybelline, and I'll be linking all the products down if you like to check them out. So I'm using my fingers to apply the foundation on my face because it's quite watery and I waste a lot when I apply directly on a blender. So I'm just going to blend the foundation on my face and just apply enough so it's not too cakey. You don't want to put too much, you know. So at this point I decided to change my lighting because it was too much. But yeah, we move. I'm going in with Ultimate Mascara from Mary Kay. For this look, I'm not wearing any false lash. Okay guys, for my lips, I'm using a dark brown pencil to shape in my upper lips a bit, not too much. And then I'm going in with this lip gloss from MK. Setting time guys, sorry we are not setting, so we're just using this translucent powder from Mary Kay, link below. And I'm just gonna go around my entire face with very light amounts, and you can also use a colored setting powder if you don't have a translucent powder. And of course, you want to give that face a spray to keep your makeup in place all day long. So that's it guys, this is my everyday minimal look to stay gorgeous. Don't forget that you are beautiful and loved, and don't let anyone tell you otherwise. And for watching this video, thank you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to leave your comments down below if you have any questions or you just want to say hi. Leave it down in the comment box below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you've watched it so far, if you like it so far, and subscribe to my channel guys. It is completely free, and hit that notification bell beside it. That way you get more content from me every time. Also, you can definitely share this video with other people, and I'll see you guys in my next video or in my other videos. Click. Bye.